As we know, Earth is the only known living planet in the universe. It is the third member of our solar system. We humans live in Earth because of adaptable environment with air, water and survival things. We haven't found any kind of life forms outside the Earth, so it is common to think that we are alone in this vast universe. But what is the actual fact? Are there any alien lives that exist in our universe? So let's talk about the possibilities of alien life existence. First of all, let me remind you that Earth is only 0.1 into 10 to the power negative 20th part of the observable universe. So what about the other part? So far, astronomers have found out more than 500 solar systems and are discovering new ones every year. Given how many they have found in our own neighborhood of Milky Way galaxy, scientists estimate that there may be tens of billions of solar systems in our galaxy, perhaps even as many as 100 billion. By the way, according to the Kepler space mission data, which was reported by astronomers in 2013, it is calculated that there could be as many as 40 billion Earth-sized planets orbiting in the habitable zones of Sun-like stars and red dwarfs in the Milky Way. 11 billion of which may be orbiting Sun-like stars. Just imagine 40 billion Earth-like planets. By this fact, it has proved that we are nothing to the vastness of the universe. Another possibility is that some sort of primitive photosynthesis or chemosynthesis organisms exist elsewhere in the universe. If, as on Earth, the primary form of energy available on other planets is radiation from a nearby star, it seems likely that, as on Earth, photosynthesis organisms must predominate. Drake is the least lonely man on Earth, if not in the entire galaxy. Most of us are reserving judgment on whether there is intelligent life on other planets. We haven't even found a bacteria yet, much less a race of aliens with internet service and take-out food. But Drake, an astrophysicist and chairman emeritus of the California-based SETI Institute, which stands for Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, has no such doubts. Once Hawking told that, "To my mathematical brain, the number alone makes thinking about aliens perfectly rational." Microbes are the most common form of life on Earth, and it's highly likely that microbes are what we will discover on another planet, said Lisa Curtis, exhibit manager of the Space Science Institute. So, do aliens exist? Many scientists believe that humans need to work harder to determine whether there is extraterrestrial life out there, let alone whether or not aliens have visited Earth. As astronomer and SETI co-founder Jill Tarter once said, "Because of the vastness of space, our efforts have only amounted to the equivalent of scooping a single glass of water from the ocean."